This is Cato Hawes, and it's July 28th, 2021. I want to take a minute and show you how I put up a clothesline. First thing you're going to need is a nice long 50-foot rope or something and a place to tie it to. I like to tie it with the simplest knot I know, which is 2 half hitches. See that? Just pull it over against your post, put it at the height you want, maybe tighten it down a little bit, then go down over here and find you your end point. And this time we're going to use a knot that's just a little more complicated, but not much. It's called a taut line. And we'll go around once, like before, make it nice and snug, and twice. So before we only went one time around, this time we went 2 times around on the inside of the main loop. Then do our once on the outside. That's called a taut line. Now, if that's not tight enough for you, you can tighten it a little more, and that rope, that knot, holds on the main rope, the standing part of the rope, wherever you put it. And so you can make it as tight as you need it. Just back up a little bit here and let's see how tight this is. I want to say, I know you could tighten that a little tighter by using a trucker's hitch. However, I don't like that because it's kind of hard on ropes and it's hard on trees to make things that tight. This is tight enough for a tent line or a clothesline. And I want to tell you about taking this loose. This has got a lot of pressure on it, and yet this last loop is loose. Why is that? Well, think about it. This line is real tight as it comes around the tree, but on the far side, the side nearest to me, it's not as tight. When it goes around the rope the first time, it's less tight. The next time, it's even less. By the time you get to your third loop, there's very little tension there and you can get it off real fast. If that's not fast enough for you, then what you might want to do is put a quick release loop like this. See that? And it doesn't seem to matter how tight this gets stretched. You can pull that loose with about 2 pounds of pressure and then take it back this way, and there you go. So I think those are simple knots for putting up a clothesline, and they work. The 2 half hitches and the taut line hitch. Have a good day.